Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of Hostinger, a web hosting platform known for its speed, affordability, and user-friendliness. If you're considering Hostinger for your website, stay tuned to find out why it might just be the perfect choice for you. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more reviews like this. The link to Hostinger is in the description. Firstly, Hostinger is renowned for its speed. Like the Flash, it's fast and resourceful, making your website run smoothly and efficiently. This is partly thanks to their integration with Cloudflare, boosting your site's performance. When it comes to pricing, Hostinger is a champion of affordability. They offer various plans, including shared, cloud, and VPS hosting, each tailored to different needs and budgets. Especially for beginners or small to medium-sized websites, their shared web hosting plan is a great starting. Let's talk specifics. The shared hosting plan is ideal for newcomers. Remember, the basic plan doesn't include a free domain, but the premium plan offers 3 months free, adding to your savings. For larger businesses, Hostinger's cloud hosting plan offers more resources and faster VPS hosting. Although it's pricier, the value you get, including NVMe storage, is impressive. Now let's weigh the pros and cons. Hostinger's user-friendly H-panel makes site management a breeze, a plus for beginners. Uptime is excellent, averaging 99.99% over the past 5 years, ensuring reliability. And their customer support? Top-notch with 24/7 chat service. However, there are a few cons. Hostinger doesn't offer phone support, which might be a downside for some. And while they provide essential security features, those looking for more advanced options might find it lacking. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again.